Hello everyone, welcome to the space about operations timeline in Becoming Global Volunteer. I'm Marcy, I'm MCVP IGV, and on the screen you can see my phone number in case of any questions. So the session will be about understanding of the global timeline, what influences it, and how to manage it. So the first word that comes to my mind when I'm thinking about timeline is actually direction, because operation timeline is controlling and giving us a clear way to manage all our actions and organizing our year. So the year is generally divided in the following peaks. So the first one, fruit peak, is the one when we're having more realizations, and it happens between May and August. And the second one, fish peak, is the one when the realizations are smaller, and it's between December and February. Of course, in ISEC language, we're also having off-peak, summer peak, and winter peak. Off-peak is about realizations that happen between March and half of June, then half September till beginning of December. Summer peak starts in half of June and lasts till half of September. And winter peak is about realizations happening between December and February. And here we're having operation timeline. So let's look at the part when the MC term starts. So in June, we're starting pre-attraction, and it lasts till the end of July. And when new MC is coming, we're starting attraction. Then in September it ends, and we're starting consideration. In November it ends, and we're starting preparation. And as I told you on the previous slide, in December we're starting experience, which lasts till the end of February, and in the meantime we're starting post-experience in January, February, and March. Of course, what happens between that months is also pre-attraction in December, in January, then attraction in January, February, and March, and so on and so on. What you can see maybe is that it's strictly connected to our customer flow. So if you're curious and would like to know more about that, please look for the session about customer flow in our NEC. Yes, what you should know also is that ICX should always be 1 month ahead of OGX. And the preparation should always start at least 2 months before the experience. And it's because we should have enough time to handle the visa processes and overall EP logistics. So going to OGX, just to give you a perspective, as I told you, ICX should always be 1 month ahead of OGX. And looking at the part when MC term starts, in ICX I told you period attraction starts in June, and in OGX it starts in July, so everything is as I said. Yes, and that's it. And how we should actually use timeline, first of all, to determine our campaign messages, both in OGX and ICX. Later on, to determine education cycle of our members, so to know exactly when and how they should be prepared for what will happen. To determine our strategies, both when in case of LC and in MC, and determine our priorities and routines, because we will not have the same actions planned in attraction and preparation, for example. And the last thing, because timeline is important, we're using it generally for everything. So that would be all. Thank you. If you want to know more, you can check the sources and Global Volunteer Academy from AI. My name was Marcy, and again on the screen you can see my phone number in case of any questions. Thank you.